Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Chila customer has called me. This problem is inside lot of water. Inside the chiller always a lot of water. So let's see actually what is the problem and how to fix it. See if I see on the floor, inside the floor, see lot of water. So all is wet. See water dropping. When all of the water bottle also, water tin also is water. See lot of water. So see what is the problem. I have to remove this some of the tin and remove this drain pipe. See, it's not clear. So this pipe has blocked by dust or dirty. It's blocked, so water cannot drain. That's why you take wire cable or right now I have a cable tied. So by this cable tied, you just flush it. You make it clear like this. I will show you. You put inside and flush it. See, like this way. See, now it's clear. So dear bears, so it has been clear now. So put it back, this pipe. Then after that will be no water inside. So we need to clean, need to dry inside all of the water. After then also, if it's dropping water, then you have to see this cover tin. Tin is leak or not, this tin. But in this case here, tin is okay, just block. This pipe has been blocked by dust. Thank you dear bears. Assalamu alaikum.